Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Bashir Hussain Zaidi. He was born on 26th of July 1898 in Uttar Pradesh. He completed his education at the Arabic High School and Stephen College, Delhi. He also studied at Punjab University, Cambridge University and Lincoln's Inn. As a student, he was the Indian representative to the International Students' Conference at Holland in 1922. He also served as a headmaster at the University School in Aligarh. He was a part of Constituent Assembly as a representative of the princely state of Rampur and Banaras. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly. He spoke regarding upliftment of minority communities and more particularly the Muslim minority. He also spoke regarding the importance as regards the entire concept of democracy. He was of opinion that constitution will exist and work if there is faith in the democracy. He also spoke as regards what should be a constitution. He participated in the debates revolving the what should be the power of emergency. We are grateful to him for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.